Hello, this is to show you how to use the infrared massaging hammer. It comes with 3 mouths. Yes, it's on now. You can see it vibrating. It comes with 3 different mouths. So you can use it to massage your neck. Yes, if you're having, anywhere you're having pain, you can use it to massage it. Use it to massage your hand. Use it to massage your tummy. Use it to massage your laps, even your foot. Use it to massage your foot. So anywhere you're having pain, you use it on it. Use it to massage. Oh, use it to massage even your waist. Use it on your waist. Anywhere you are just feeling pain, and it will go instantly. So this is how to use your infrared massaging hammer. Thank you.